God urges you not to skip this video, as he promises to reveal a profound message. Stay tuned and witness the revelation until the end. Today, God implores you to awaken and embrace freedom, urging you to embrace your true self. You are the world's joy, a radiant light amid obscurity, and a blessing unto the cosmos. Cherish yourself unconditionally, releasing the shackles of the past, and do not let them ensnare your thoughts. Remember that temporal and spatial constraints are mere illusions. Allow the cosmos to be your guiding force, staying attuned to meaningful coincidences, as nothing is arbitrary in matters of love. In the realm of love, there is no anguish or disdain, only profound mutual comprehension and boundless acceptance. Upon the righteous path, doors shall effortlessly unfold, and you merit the advent of positivity without enduring prior suffering. Type 1101 to affirm your entitlement to God's message today. Grant yourself forgiveness for moments of faltering strength, and actively work towards thriving in the present. The future you desire unfolds when you redirect your focus towards possibilities. Commence by acknowledging your blessings, cultivating obsessive gratitude, and recognizing the positive aspects of your life. This is the swiftest route to manifesting improvement, as God reassures that the past no longer holds the power to harm you. Learn from it and release its grip. Today heralds a new beginning, and God encourages you to approach it with an open heart filled with love and gratitude. Type yes if this resonates with you. Today's message emphasizes letting the universe guide you, staying attuned to meaningful coincidences, as nothing is arbitrary in matters of love. There is no pain or contempt, only profound mutual understanding and unconditional acceptance on the right path, where doors open naturally. You deserve goodness without the prerequisite of suffering. God states that your new life demands letting go of the old one, including your comfort zone, sense of direction, relationships, and friendships. It may cost you approval and understanding, but those meant for you will find you on the other side. Build a new comfort zone around what propels you forward. Instead of being liked, be loved. Instead of being understood, be seen. What you lose was constructed for a person you no longer are. God says you don't have to know what's next. Stop overthinking and start being in the moment. There's no rush to have your life figured out. Today, baby steps are still steps, helping you along the way. Prioritize the people who bring you peace. Mirror the same love you give to others, and stand by your side in the moments that matter the most. Type 222 to affirm this to yourself. Today's message for you. There is nothing more adventurous and exciting than following your heart. Follow your heart. Let love guide you. Very good things are happening in your life because you've been focusing more on positive vibes. Every thought matters, so keep putting love and good energy into the world. The universe has a special surprise coming your way. Your dedication is attractive. Type 1, love if you trust in God. Imagine yourself stepping into the light, becoming illuminated and free. Feel the power of stepping into the light as you illuminate every cell of your body. The light gets brighter, fuller, and richer, expanding in every direction. Expect luck and big changes on the horizon. You are putting past challenges behind you and moving forward into a brighter future. Everything will make sense soon, and you will find yourself in the right place with the right people. Angelus's message for you. Everything is in your power. The energy of the number 222 will guide and empower you with its creative flair. You'll see clearer and overcome obstacles as you start a new chapter. Act like someone you've always wanted to become and go for what you deserve. Your blessings meet you in your journey when you fall in love with who you truly are and act towards your dream life. You don't have to know what's next. Stop overthinking and be in the moment. Today, baby steps are still steps, helping you along the way. You deserve relationships rooted in love, not envy. You deserve friends who want the best for you, even if that means taking space from each other. You deserve people who cheer for you wholeheartedly. Type 222 to affirm this to yourself. Expect it. The universe's message for you is that when you change your reality, the blessings coming your way are not random. They are gifts to remind you that you're always backed and supported. Your efforts are not going unnoticed, and the external reality mirrors your inner work. Your high vibration contributes to healing. Envision the highest timelines for yourself because you deserve and are provided with it all. Stay aligned. Type, I am playful, to affirm this message. God is saying to you, expect a rise in luck. Significant changes are on the horizon. Leave past challenges behind and move into a brighter future. Everything will make sense, and you will find yourself in the right place with the right people. Type Amen if you believe this. God's message today is that you're going to make the most money you've ever made this month, attract incredible new friends, and see some of your deepest dreams becoming a reality. Trust that the universe is providing everything you need to manifest your goals. Smile and give thanks. Learn to prioritize people who bring you peace, mirror your love, and stand by your side in crucial moments. Choose it those who understand the depths of your soul. Type, I am awareness, to affirm. God assures you that you haven't messed anything up, and gratitude is the antidote when your soul feels tired. Faith is how you find your way back. Angelus's message is that very good things are happening in your life as you focus on positive vibes. Type 5 if you believe this. The universe is saying that new opportunities are about to flood into your life, ushering in abundance and prosperity. Center yourself in the present moment. Type 444. If you love God, angels say money is flowing to you in abundance from multiple sources. Your mindset attracts good energy, and your inner world is filled with self-love. Trust the divine timing of your desires. Type, I'm God's child, to claim it. The universe is actively aligning everything for your wildest dreams. Visualize yourself better every day. Celebrate others' wins, and you'll win more. Your positive energy is improving your life. Keep believing in your dreams, and the universe will create miracles for you. Type 1111 if you believe in God. Today's message is that you've been chosen for something incredible. Embrace your greatness and everything is falling into place. Remember to smile because you have options, chances, love, support, and possibilities. Type yes if you believe. Don't force or figure out your entire life plan at once. Let life surprise and guide you. Trust the timing of how it unfolds. Type 1111 if you believe in God. Be playful, feel relief, and let only good flow to you. God's message today is to be easy and playful, and let your dominant intent be to feel good. Feel your way through, and only good can flow to you. Type 1111 if you believe this. The universe is always working to give you what you pray for, even if it doesn't arrive in the way or time you expect. Recognize the abundant blessings you're already receiving. Witness a creative spark being ignited within you, propelling you toward a fresh start. A new version of yourself is emerging, uncovering hidden treasures and establishing a newfound balance and confidence to confront any challenge with courage. Although the changes may not be physical yet, a strong vision has been with you for a while, awaiting a sign from the universe to take the right actions. You are guided to view reality from the perspective of your higher self, avoiding interference in others' lives and observing guilt that arises when experiencing pleasure, choosing to let it go. This process helps you embody more self-love as transformation awaits. Type I am awareness to affirm. In the realm of joy, when you focus on joyful things and feel joy in your heart, you are in a state of allowing and receiving on a quantum level. Type, I love God, if you trust in God. Affirmations for life. Trust that better experiences are unfolding, occasional relaxation regains energy, and quitting on happiness is not an option. Rest, recoup, and return to the journey, always being the victor. God assures your true self is saying to trust your path, even if it leads away from what was once thought to be permanent. Big dreams require small steps and positive energy. Small, consistent thought steps, combined with a positive mindset, will guide you in the right direction. Stay humble, stay positive, and keep taking those daily steps. God mentions a miracle waiting to happen just around the bend. Release fear and uncertainty, and majestic wonders will unfold. Trust that all is unfolding for your highest good, and expect miracles in your life. Type yes if you agree. In the current week, anticipate blessings pouring into your life. Trust that you will be in the right place at the right time to receive them all. Faith in Source supporting your way, and gratitude for cleansing, healing, and progress contribute to your growth. Affirm that your life is upgrading. Embrace tough times, roadblocks, or challenges as they lead to becoming a better version of yourself. Seek and welcome change into your life. Be grateful for things pushing you out of your comfort zone. Type, I love God, if you really love God. Give yourself permission to switch off from worldly troubles and access inner peace. The angels are taking care of you, and the important thing is to focus on inner peace, leading to new and helpful insights. Type, this too shall pass, to affirm. December is a month of deep self-discovery and healing, dedicated to shadow work and reinventing yourself. Trust the process, and happy December. The angels remind you that one day, everything will make sense, and you'll realize how blessed you are. Angels predict new changes and shifts, propelling you into an upgraded version of yourself. Recognizing and detaching from bad thoughts or negative emotions releases karmic baggage, and you're making decisions aligning with your higher self. Expect powerful shifts in energy for manifesting your higher purpose. Type yes if you feel this. The universe is illuminating your path, assuring protection and manifestation of people and opportunities meant for you. Refining your routine and expecting miracles contribute to your positive vibes. Type, this too shall pass, to affirm. Divine timing is the reason for your awaited breakthrough. Embrace the present and practice patience. Your next blessing is on its way. The angels urge you to protect your time and energy, rewarding inconsistency with unavailability. Everything in your life is improving. Abundance is flooding in as you unlock deeper layers of your soul. Subscribe to the channel for more God messages and turn on bell notifications. The angles suggest starting to protect your time and energy more. Recognize the improvement in every aspect of your life, and despite challenges, your positivity prevails. New blessings are entering your life as a result of the work you're doing on yourself. Type yes if you believe in the message.